Hi, Sam Vanderbilt here from StudentLoanConsolidationCompanies.com and StudentLoanWithoutCosigner.org. And this video is about the best way to repay your student loans. So the first step is to get organized. Create a student loan checklist that lists all of your student loans. A blank template is available at that website. Put all your paperwork for each loan in its own file folder, labeled with the lender name, date borrowed, original loan balance, and loan ID. Notify the lender about any changes in address or contact information. A lot of you will be just out of school, so this is important. Put a note in your calendar at least a week before your first payment is due. Lost your lender? Talk to the financial aid administrator at your college if you're unsure who currently holds your loan. You can visit this website for links to two services that can help you find your federal education loans. Don't miss payments. 1/4 to 1/3 of borrowers are late on the very first payment on their student loans. Most student loans have a 6-month grace period before repayment begins, and students often move after graduation, losing track of bills. Borrowers who consolidate their loans are more likely to pay on time, with less than 1/5 missing the first payment, probably because the first payment is due soon after consolidation. The loan payment is due even if you do not receive a statement or coupon book. Now, to avoid missing statements or payments, it's a good idea to set up automatic monthly payments. Set up an automatic direct debit from your checking account to make the monthly payments on your loans. Many lenders offer discounts for borrowers who set up auto debit. Federal loans offer 0.25% interest rate reduction, as do many private lenders. Borrowers with auto debit are much less likely to miss a payment, and when you do miss payments, it obviously affects your credit, and if you're ever thinking about buying a house, you want to make sure that your credit stays intact. Accelerate high interest debt first. Student loans do not have a prepayment penalties. After you take the requirement payments, direct any extra money toward accelerating repayment of the most expensive debt first. The most expensive debt is the debt with the highest interest rate, not the lowest monthly payment, usually credit cards and private loans. Paying an extra $100 on a 10% loan is like earning 10% interest tax-free and may save you more than $200 over the life of the loan. Student loan interest deduction. So up to $2,500 in student loan interest, federal and private, may be deducted each year. The deduction is an above-the-line exclusion from income and can be taken even if the borrower doesn't itemize. Only the borrower responsible for making payments can take the deduction, and the borrower must not claim as an exemption on someone else's tax return. So one of the ways to accelerate, and how I accelerated my student loan repayment, was to consolidate. So I both consolidated my federal student loans and private student loans. So the benefits of consolidating your federal student loans is that consolidation can streamline repayment by replacing multiple loans with a single loan. Consolidation may be used to switch lenders, and consolidation provides access to alternate payment plans which reduce the monthly payment by stretching out the loan term and increasing the total cost of the loan. The cons: consolidation does not necessarily save you money. You may lose the remainder of the grace period. You lose favorable benefits on Perkins loans such as subsidized interest and loan forgiveness. Some alternative repayment plans are available without consolidation. So if you want to consolidate your private student loans, you can replace multiple private student loans with a single loan. Federal and private loans cannot be consolidated together. The new loan has a variable interest rate just like the original loans, but the new rate is based on your credit score. If your credit score has improved significantly, you might be able to get a better rate. Private consolidation may be used to remove the cosigner from the loan. So if you have any other questions, you can visit me at StudentLoanWithoutCosigner.org, and I should be able to help you out there.